Going to Burger King to eat lunch. Taking Alex here to get the monster menu, I think it is. So we'll show you what that is. Just come follow us. So they got the $2 bucket here with any purchase. Let's check out the menu here. Let's see. Getting Alex this monster menu right here. Actually looks pretty good. So they're all decorated for Halloween here. Alex is wearing his king hat over here. Let's see it, Alex. You look cute. Ready for that monster menu? I do like the fact they got some Coke products here. I like that. We also got iced tea. Alright, so Alex is going to be eating from the monster menu, right? Like a king hat there. We do treat you like a king, that's for sure. Alright, we'll go over your meal here. Let's take a look at it. That's a big burger. It is very, very heavy. Oh my gosh.
This is like huge compared to this, man.
Yeah, open that up. Let's take a look at that burger.
Holy moly. Oh my
Yeah, I want to
God.
see that burger.
Holy moly. Look at that.
Wow.
Huge.
Eat me, Alex!
Anyway,
That's a big burger.
Sunday.
Yeah?
Small Sunday.
Take a look at that Sunday.
It's got
Monster Sunday.
It's got Dino Nuggets.
Yeah, and you love Dino Nuggets. Yeah. And mozzarella sticks there. And includes the drink. So I guess for all that, it's not that bad of a deal. The Sunday I thought was a little small, but it'll do. It's okay. But the burger makes up for it. That's for sure.
Yeah, definitely, yeah.
Alright, that's great. And then Kevin just got 2 double cheeseburgers, right? Alright. And I just got a big chicken sandwich. I love their chicken sandwiches. Yeah, they're pretty big and they're good. So I like
This
those.
thing's a little bigger though.
Yeah, you got a meal fit for a king, that's for sure. Alright, Alex, try that burger and see what it tastes like. I'm very curious. Yeah.
Holy crap. Oh, this thing, holy moly, this thing is heavy. It's got bacon,
It's got bacon in it?
Yeah, bacon, lettuce, pickles, tomatoes, onions, ketchup, mustard, beef patty, beef patty.
Yeah. Monster
and definitely
burger.
I am.
Good?
Better than a regular Whopper.
Really?
It's more like a cheeseburger. It's good.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it makes it gets a little bit better like a cheeseburger.
But the patty is grilled, right? It's a grilled patty.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, wow, there's a lot of stuff falling off of it, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Well, that's good. Wow. Try one of the dinos, see what they taste like. I'm curious. Gotta have your honey mustard sauce, right?
Sorry guys, I opened it with my teeth, that's all I did. I just thought how you do it quick and easy. Most people don't do that though, but it's just quicker. Dinos. The other day. Looks like a gaming controller.
It does look like a game controller, you're right. It really does. It don't look like a dinosaur.
That's good.
That's good?
It's like real chicken.
Wow, okay. Sounds like a good monster meal. I'm curious about these cheese sticks too in there.
Oh no crap.
Uh-oh, that's okay. We'll wipe it out.
What? Never mind.
How's that cheese stick? Because I love cheese sticks.
We're good.
They're good. It's a skinny one, but it's long.
Yeah, I know.
So, alright, very good. So, and then that's his Sunday.
Yep.
Alright, so, of course, I love these big chicken burgers here. And this right here will just fill me up. I don't need anything else, actually. And it's got mayonnaise on it. I love these things. This is what I usually always get at Burger King right here is these. I love these chicken sandwiches. So, yeah. Of course, we know what a double cheeseburger looks like, so. Alright. Well, I'm digging in. So, yeah, my chicken sandwich is really good. I love their chicken sandwiches here. They almost look like a sub, don't they? But yeah. Just delicious. Thumbs up. There's the inside of Alex's burger there.
Yeah, the bacon, a lot of stuff on this. You can see for yourself. I don't know what just got in it.
Wow. That's great. Let's see yours, Kevin.
Double cheeseburger. It's good. At least the cheese tastes me fine.
I'm curious, what do you think compared to McDonald's?
I like this better. It tastes fresh.
Tastes fresh? So you like it better than McDonald's?
Yeah.
Well, I know you like McDonald's too, but you like that better?
McDonald's always tastes the same. So.
Okay. Alright, I was curious which one you like the best.
I like the fresh taste. But McDonald's tastes the same nowhere. These could be different from place to place.
Right. Okay.
Monster Sunday and Halloween from Burger King. Oh, tastes like, let's see. Tastes similar to a McFlurry at McDonald's, not not quite, but it's very similar.
What do you rate it?
I'll give it a B, an 8.